Okay, this is Amit from Epic Odyssey. What you need to do to download Fusion 360 and get your student certification, um, just just sign in, right? Oh wait, no thanks. Sign in here. If you don't already have an account, you can just create an account. I've made an account using my alt. So now let's sign in. Next thing you're going to do is go to products. And under top products and product design and manufacturing, you're probably going to find Fusion 360. Next thing you want to do is go to offerings and press learn more. Um, Now you're going to get Fusion 360 for education. Um, now you have to, now you can just get started with um, getting your educational license. It's going to ask you to verify your email if you haven't already. So here, let me do that. All right, so first you're going to verify your email. Done. Okay, and then you're going to get started. Select your region. Here, United States. Let's go down to that. All right, educational role, student, institution, high school or secondary. Just select this. If you're not in high school, the secondary should cover it. Although I don't know, it might be an age thing. So if you need to, you can just change your date of birth. Although they're gonna ask for like a student ID or something. So if you're not 13 plus, you might have a hard time getting into this. But let's see. So I'll just put I'll just put my regular. Okay, and then now you could just type in what school you go to. So let's say you go to Rice Middle School. Yeah, so of course, when I was in middle school, I did Rice Middle School, but now I would do Plano East. And then enrolled from, of course, like you could put, of course, like August. I do August 2019 to May 2023. Okay, so now you have that, and all you need to do is go down. So of course it should already put you into this kind of window. Then you're gonna go down to Fusion 360 and press get started, and then confirm. Um, Something's not quite right. Oh yeah. So you also need to turn in a document or of proof. For example, it needs to have your full name on it. So what I did was a student ID. Like seriously, this is the easiest thing you can do. Okay? All you need to do is take a picture of it and just drag it into this box, or it will find the place in your thing. All right? And then you press submit. Give it like a day. Oh, by the way, it will tell you that you have 14 days. Just submit it during that time period, and then and then within a day, you'll get an email back from Autodesk that tells you that you're ready for an educational license. When you have that, you can. Oh, it's stuck here. Anyway, when you have that, you can go back to the products page and download Fusion 360 as a student. Like, remember how it had the here, let me show you again. Where it has products and then it has Fusion 360 and you go back to offerings, it will give you the option for educational use. And then you can literally sign in as a student. Okay, so now we're going to go back to products, Fusion 360. Oh, by the way, um if you have a if you have an educational license, every like few weeks or something like that, or once in a while, it will literally have you I don't know, it will literally have you re-upload your information because like maybe every once a school year, because like they want to know if you're still a student, right? Or else you wouldn't get access. So now create your education account. Well, I already have my education account, so you can sign in if you already have educational access. So I would just sign in again. Okay, so when you're confirmed, yeah, by the way, here's the important part. You only get 12 months access and then you have to redo it, okay? So get Autodesk software, then you can get product, access. Well, I actually already have Fusion 360, so I probably should delete that, but yeah. So that's basically how it is. Thank you.